Alright, so here we are with another video for you. Today is a demonstration, a lighting demonstration for the Hella 20-inch slim LED light bar. So this is a single row light bar, 20 inches in length, and we have it mounted right here on a Toyota Hilux with the help of the Discoverer Automotive Stealth mod that we have, the front grille light bracket that we have for light bars. The light bracket can accommodate both 20-inch and 21.5-inch double row light bars and single row light bars as well. Just bear in mind, the light bracket helps you mount the light bar just inside the front grille of the Toyota Hilux. So that's basically it. So right now I can just show you the stock light performance on the Toyota Hilux. So we have the fog lamps first, basically no help. Then we have the low beam, and then we have the high beam. So that's our stock lighting setup on the Toyota Hilux. Let me cycle back now. So there goes the high beam, there goes the low beam, and there goes the fog lamps. Now we're going to show you just the 20-inch light bar, and we have it firing through the front grille on the Toyota Hilux. 3, 2, 1. There you go. So you can see those trees up ahead are about 200 odd meters ahead. The light goes way beyond them as well. This is just to show you what the light throw is like. This is a 20-inch light bar and accommodates a bunch of spot LEDs, a whole bunch of LEDs in a straight line, so they go straight downrange. Even though you have a little bit of light bleeding on the side, but majority of it is pointing straight downrange. So it's great for when you're doing straight trails and you want deep light throw downrange. Great product for that, very affordably priced as well, great quality as well, and coupled with the stealth mod, the Discoverer Automotive Stealth mod for the Toyota Hilux, it's basically a no-brainer. You must have it on your truck. Also, nothing can be seen outside the vehicle, so that helps you with the stealth aspect, hence the name Stealth mod. That's basically it. Let me just cycle it off and on once more. No lights, and now you have the 20-inch single row slim LED light bar from Hella Blackmagic series. In a pinch, you can drive just with this light bar connected on your truck with the help of the Stealth mod from Discoverer Automotive. It is possible to drive around with the vehicle with just the you can drive the vehicle just with the 20-inch LED light bar from Hella, but that's only in a pinch. We wouldn't advise you to drive just with the light bar, even though you have great light throw downrange. You really can't see all that much towards the sides. For that use case, what we would actually suggest on a Toyota Hilux or on a Toyota Fortuner is the Discoverer Automotive dual ditch light brackets that we retail on our website, www.discovererautomotive.com. That's www.discovererautomotive.com. So in combination with the Stealth mod front grille light bracket from Discoverer Automotive and the 20-inch with the 20-inch light bar from Hella Blackmagic mounted on it, we also, using the dual ditch light brackets from Discoverer Automotive, we have the 3.2-inch Hella Blackmagic LED spot beam and LED flood beam also mounted on this truck. So we're gonna show you how that looks. So I'll turn off the light bar now, so there's no lights functioning on the front of the truck. Once again, we'll go ahead with the light bar first, so that gives you deep downrange lighting. Then we'll show you the 3.2-inch flood beam light throw. There you go. So now we have the sides lit up, and now we'll go with this 3.2-inch spot beam. There you go. So now you have a complete left to right semicircle of light, very intense light going downrange in front of the truck. It's literally turned night into day. This trio works beautifully well on the Toyota Hilux with the 3.2-inch Hella Blackmagic spot beam Hella Blackmagic 3.2 inch flood beam, and the Hella Blackmagic 20 inch single row light bar. That's basically it. So you can buy all these products, including the dual ditch light brackets for the Hilux and the Fortuner, and the Stealth Mod front grille light bracket, and the light pods, and the light bar, as well as the Hella Blackmagic covers, the amber lens covers and the yellow lens covers and the black lens covers, available on our website www.discoverautomotive.com. That's www.discoverautomotive.com. All these products are available on our website. Do go and log on to our website and check out each product page. You'll see the demo videos as well as photographs of all the products. Send us a query if you have any questions through our website, or you can even write to us through the email addresses available on our website. That's basically it. So get all the products on our website. That's www.discoverautomotive.com. Now, once again, for good measure, let me just cycle through the lights. Here we go. So we switch off the 3.2 inch spot beams first, then the 3.2 inch flood beam second. Now we switch off the light bar, the 20 inch single row slim light bar from Hella, the Blackmagic series. There you go. Now, just for good measure and to close off this video, let me show you how the lights function along with the stock headlights on the Toyota Hilux. Should be fairly similar for the Toyota Fortuner as well. So we'll go with the light bar first. We'll go with the flood beam second. Then we'll go with the spot beam. And now we'll go with the fog lamps on the stock setup on the Toyota Hilux. That's the fog lamps. Those are switched on now. Basically useless. Then we have the low beam. So it does a little bit to fill up some area up in front. Not really required. Now we go with the high beam. And you see the high beam is basically useless when you're using the 20 inch single row light bar from Hella, mounted on the Discoverer Automotive front grille light bar, or the Stealth Mod. So that's basically it. And let me now just cycle back one by one. I'll turn off the lights. So we'll turn off the spot beam 3.2 inch LED light pods here. That's 1, 2, 3. That's 3.2 inch LED spots that have gone off. Now we'll turn off the flood beam light pods. There you go. So your sides of the vehicle are not all that visible anymore. And now we'll turn off the light bar. There you go. So you see, let me cycle this. You see how the light bar is going deeper down range compared to the stock high beam. So it is definitely something that works and helps a lot when you use your truck in challenging terrain and challenging conditions. And that's the high beam that goes off on the stock truck. That's the low beam, and that's the fog lamps. Just once again, for good measure, just the 20 inch Hella Blackmagic LED light bar. This is the slim light bar, available on our website www.discoverautomotive.com. 3, 2, and so there you go. That's the final light output from just the Hella Blackmagic 20 inch single row light bar. And this is mounted on the Discoverer Automotive Stealth Mod front grille light bar bracket for the Toyota Hilux. There you go. Pick up all these products on our website. Once again, that's discoverautomotive.com, www.discoverautomotive.com. Cheers.